JRTs, you said that you can't understand Sayo, right? You said that every time you try to insert a keyframe, this part or this part or this part disappears. Well, maybe you made a mistake. If you're gonna make an animation like this or any simple moves, you will need to, well, first move the character, move the character here like this, move the character like this, and highlight it like this. Highlight all the all these layers. Highlight the keyframe all, and then F6. Then as the result, it will go like this. And then maybe because when you create a keyframe, you did it, you made a mistake. Like for example, you missed some layers, the keyframes of the layers. Example, you missed the head like this. F6, the head disappears. You need to control Z to undo, and then highlight all of them, and then F6. See? And when you like create motion tween, when you create a motion tween, and then create motion tween, these are the mistakes. Classic tween, there.